Hello, good morning mga katrops. Good morning dito sa Wyoming, Yellowstone National Park naman tayo mga katrops. At bumisita kami sa tawag dito, Old Faithful. Yung Old Faithful mga katrops, isa sa mga famous tong na pasyalan sa Yellowstone So huwag natin tong kaligtaan. O kahit i-search pa sa Google, number 1 tong ang Old Faithful. So come on. At sabay-sabay nating i-explore tong Old Faithful dito lang sa Yellowstone, Montana. I mean Yellowstone, Wyoming pala. Montana tuloy. O yan mo, kumakain na. Say hi boys! I'm in there. Yeah. Let's go eat. Birthday too. Yeah. Look at that. Right now. Yeah. Go eat mga katrops. Yun. Kakain namin ng konti dito mga trops at papasyal tayo sa tinatawag nilang Old Faithful. Titingnan natin kung anong meron doon sa famous na Old Faithful dito sa Montana. I mean sa Yellowstone National Park sa Wyoming. Alright! Stay tuned in rock and roll. Peace out. Come on, trops. Papunta na tayo sa Old Faithful Geyser. Yun oh. Meron kasing oras tong pagbuga nito mga katrops yung pagka-eruption nito may oras so tara na bilisan natin baka maiwan tayo ng eruption. Alright, tingnan mo, yan yung Old Faithful Geyser. Yeah, meron sila ditong Tribal Heritage Center dyan right there.
Look at this.
Old Faithful Geyser. Right. Guys, go take pictures first. See? Tingnan mo gano'ng maraming tao na yan, oh. Yeah. We're gonna wait when the eruption is coming. Okay, come on. Yan mga katrops, kung meron kayong mga pets, huwag niyong iwan kasi merong namatay na aso dyan, oh. Kasi mainit yan, eh. Kaya yan yung sinasabi ko mga katrops, yung Old Geyser, eh. Hinihintay na lang itong sumabog uli, ang eruption. Kung gano'ng karaming tao niyan mga katrops, oh. Oh, naghihintay ng eruption. Oh, wow. Ang galing talaga ng Yellowstone National Park. Tignan mo oh, gaano karaming tao yan. Dahil lang sa eruption, hinihintay. Alright. Come on. Yes. Yay! Look at that. You excited, boys? Yeah. You excited get to the eruption?
Yeah.
Go. You gotta wait. Dito ko rin ka? Di ka say. Let's go say. See? We're waiting. The grand eruption. Mga katrops. Yeah. What? You wanna wait? Or you can't wait? That's the biggest one. This is the biggest one. See? Ang daming tao talaga mga katrops. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Tingnan mo ito mga katrops. Ito yung makikita mo dito yung mga animals sa Yellowstone. Alam mo, oh, mausok na yung ano. Kasi alam mo yung Yellowstone mga katrops. Ano to isang malaking volcano yan mga katrops. Alam mo, bawal kang pumunta dyan oh. Kasi hindi ko alam kung bakit. Basta bawal pumunta dyan sa gravel na yan. Dapat na sa ano lang kayo sa walkway. Yan. Yun oh, yan mo, bumubuga na oh. Yan. Yan tinatawag na Old Faithful Geyser mga katrops. Yan yung pinakamalaking geyser sa buong Yellowstone. Hinihintay lang bumuga ng malaki yan. Alright. Oh, may meron mga maliliit na geyser doon. Oh, galing. Old Faithful Geyser. Alright. Come on boys. It's exploding now. It's erupting. Ayan, nag-i-erupt na mga katrops. Ayan o. Grabing eruption na yan o. Yung paunti-unti na yung eruption yan mga katrops. Oh, Kathleen! Beware of your pets! Don't bring your pets here!
Not a chick.
What? Not the chicks. Pero ang galing nun, ang galing dun oh. Pwede kang pumunta dun mga katrops kasi mayroong walkway dun eh. Yan oh. Tingnan mo ah. Yan. Diba? Yan yung pwede kang maglakad-lakad dun mga katrops. Alright. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, baby. Sabi talaga ng tao ito. Yay! Oh, yan ang mga katrops. Paunti-unti na siyang puputok ko. Yun na yun. Yan na yun. Yan yung iniabangan ng libo-libong tao dito. Yan o. Yan o. Oh, yeah, here we go! See? Yo, wow! See? Tawag laki talaga ng geyser to eh. Pag nilapitan dyan, mainit yan mga katrops. Yeah. I say the eruption. It's too much. Did you see the eruption time? Because you're playing there. Eh, brother.
You want to sit now?
Yeah, at least I captured the eruption. Okay, come on, let's go. That's what I'm telling you, Dime. I'm telling you. It's gonna be explode again in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And false alarm. Oh no, 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 it's coming, see? Oh.
It's going a little bit.
It's coming, it's coming. Do you know that National Geographic text me? It's coming out now. It's coming soon. Right there. Oh, no, 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 no. See? Na mga katraps, tapos na kami dito sa Old Faithful at try namin pumasok dito sa may visitor center nila kung anong meron dun. Alright, kasi ano to eh, famous na visitor center dito sa may Old Faithful. So kailangan natin pasukin yan. Yan, umirap na naman siya oh. Pero hayaan mo na lang siya dun. Alright, kasi marami pa kaming mapupuntahan. Anong masasabi mo sa eruption, Mama Kats? Ang ganda ba? Of course. Oh, yan, so very big. I told you. Oh, here we go. Yan mga katrops, sabi ko na nabay. May sasabog pang malaki yan eh. Woo! Look at that! So amazing! Wow! Wow! It's like the volcano eruption. Look at that! Would you look at that? Woo! Yay! That's what gonna be happening. See? Woo! It's so big. That's the real eruption. Here we go. Tumatagal daw to ng ano mga katrops eh. Ng 30 minutes yung eruption ito. Tingnan mo gaano kalaki yan oh. Ayan ah. Allah. Tingnan mo. You see that one, Kathleen? Kathleen, touch the eruption. You see that? That's the biggest eruption I told you. The Old Faithful. Hindi kami binigaw ng Old Faithful mga katrops. Alright. Tingnan mo yan. Yung gaano kalaki yung eruption yan mga katrops oh. Oh, ayan na. Allah. Ayun. Hindi tayo na bigo. Kasi yung iba na umuwi na eh. Marami pa kanina yan. Ngayon, konti na lang. Pero tingnan mo, gano'ng kalaki yan. Alright. Woohoo! The grand eruption is coming out. See? I told you. Woo! Yan, ito yung sinasabi kong mga katrops na ano, visitor center. Oh, let's go. Oh, naman mo, gano'ng kalaki ito. Ang lupit, di ba? We're gonna go here. See? Wow. Very nice. Look at that dime, see? Very, very old model. Look at that. So nice. Look at the hotel. Ito yung sinasabi kong gift shop mga katrops. Kasi kakatapos namin kanina dun sa geyser eh. So yung gabi oh. Yung structure ng hotel. Yeah, this is the old hotel dime. I mean Kathleen. Look at that. See? The eruption. Every 10 minutes. Yan pala yun oh. 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 See? Yan. I wanna go. Oh. Galing, daming tao talaga oh. Wow. Look at that. Hotel. Washroom is here, come on. Galing. So yan mga katrops, meron din silang pator dito sa Historic Old Faithful Hotel. Ayan o, yan yung schedule. So kung hindi kayo nagmamadali, pwede kayong sumali dito. Alam mo, walang bayad to eh. Tutor nila kayo sa ganitong hotel. Ayan o. But kami, nagmamadali kami. So hindi na namin ano yung tour na yan. Para lang yan sa hindi nagmamadali at sa mga guest dito sa hotel. Alright. So hanggang dito na lang siguro yung munting vlog natin sa Old Faithful. At see you to the next one. Stay tuned and rock and roll.